welcome to Saber Outdoors. My name, of course, is Mark Alexander, your wonderful host. And guys, today we're inside, obviously. Guys, we're going to be doing an unboxing. We're going to be unboxing DieHard Anglers box. So I don't know what is in this. I have no idea what it looks like. But we're gonna open the DieHard Angling box and see what there might be inside. But first off, let's give it a Hulk Hogan and see if we can... very good, very good. Okay, so black box, pretty basic. So here's what the box looks like, just so you all can see it plenty good. But guys, let me just put it here. This is a small business that I think would very much appreciate some support during the Black Friday, Cyber Monday, the the hoedown of turkey time. But guys, I have no idea what's inside of it. Of course, you can go to diehardanglers.com to pick this up. They are on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. They are a local company, a small company, but guys, they would very much appreciate your money. I paid for this myself. This is not a paid deal. There's no deal in this. But let us open sesame and see what we see. So, wonderful. I got an actual personalized message. Very nice of the gentleman to do that for me. And so, guys, got plenty of stuff in there. Let's start getting it out and looking it over. So, first thing, we have some wipes. So, these are insect repellent individual wipes. So, guys, it's wintertime, so these won't be useful right now, but you can bet during springtime, summertime, I bet these are so nice you can just... And then you can just walk around with impunity because of these. Now, there is 10 to this particular package, and it has the DieHard Anglers logo on it, and I'm hopeful that these will still be good come time. I don't see quickly a... I would assume that as long as I keep the package closed, that these will last for a very long time. So, guys, that's a first. That's one of those things you just put. You know, mystery tackle box isn't giving you anything for bugs. They're giving you things that look like bugs, but not for bugs. But let's look at this next thing. So this is from the Bearded Bison Company. Guys, this is jerky stuff. Jerky snuff. Guys, I think this is pretty interesting. Let's open her up and give it a look. I did not expect to get consumables in this. Okay, kind of looks like you'd expect. Whoo, boy, it does have a pungent odor. A good odor, but a pungent odor. As soon as you open it up, there it is. But this is Texas made the right way, established in 2016. But guys, I don't know what I'm going to do with this, but I'll figure something out because I do not dip snuff, and I'm not a real big meat guy. That's why we don't do very many catch, clean, and cooks, behind the scenes stuff. But let's see what our next bait is. So, okay. So, got us a KVD jerkbait, and what color is this? Crystal Shad. Guys, this should be a dominating little outfit. Does it sink? Does it float? Does it say? It does not say anywhere if this sinks or floats. Weight transfer system, blah, 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 blah. Guys, if I figure out whether it sinks or floats before this video comes out, I'll put it right here. But, guys, it's a really good-looking color. That color is really, really nice. But Strike King stuff's always good value. KVD stuff's always good value. But we'll put it to one side and see what our next lure is. Okay, so our next thing is not a lure at all. It is actually weights. So we got some weights here. 3/8 ounce. That's a little heavy. But, okay, cool. Oh, dudes. So we have a spinnerbait. Good double willow leaf white spinnerbait. And this is made by Solid Rock Outdoors. And the little Bible verse there is a scan me thing on the back. So guys, if you want to scan it, right there it is. But guys, actually, uno momento, I will scan the thing as well. All right, guys, so it goes to a link tree. And Solid Rock Outdoors has a YouTube channel of their own. So if you want to explore this product a little bit more, you're more than welcome to go check them out. But let me put that away. And let's see what our next bait is. So, okay, got some line clippers. So got some more cool stuff. Got lanyard with those. Got a little swag. Got some Brazilo. Guys, I don't know how to say it, but right there's the company's name, and there's a sticker to go with it. They sent me a little tiny buzz bait. Guys, this is really neat. I'm going to have to find me a skirt to go on this, but looks really nice. It's from Sherwood, Arkansas. So that's pretty neat. I have a bobber. That's neat. Let's see. Oh, would you look at that? So I have some good Gamakatsu all shank worm hooks. These are not extra wide gaps, but they go to, I bet, these J-Bro lures. And guys, this looks to be motor oil. So these are 6.5-inch haymaker lures. So let's open it up and give it a look and see what I can see. Guys, I'm gonna have to rip it. Ah, so satisfying. But let's give it a look. So we have really nice looking drop shot lures. I think that would be the perfect use for these, is put them on a drop shot. Or I have something that I might use them for in the very near future. But guys, let's see. Of course, single bobber, and it's plastic bobber, guys. So 50-50 on whether this floats. But we also have some, what is this? Just a chapstick? Lip balm. So yeah, chapstick. So guys, wintertime's here. Got to make sure you take care of your lips, because if your lips are cracked and bloody and ugly looking, they're not going to look good on camera. But guys, a lot of good stuff in the box. A lot of stuff I just wouldn't think about, like the wipes. I would not have thought about that for myself, and now it's on the ground. All right, guys, so we have finished the unboxing, and we've got everything back in the box. So, guys, these are regularly $40. I do not know if DieHard Anglers is going to run a Black Friday special on these, but if he is, there is a link down below so that you can go pick up one of these for yourself if you wish, or more importantly, you could pick this up and it's ready. It's already in a box. All you have to do is wrap that dude up and say, "Merry Christmas," to somebody that you actually like. But, guys, if this is your thing, great. But if your thing is being subscribed to Saber Outdoors, I would be very thankful for you to subscribe, like, share, hit the subscribe button, do all the things that you do on YouTube. And guys, I have to say it again, the merch is never going to be this cheap again. The merch is soon to be going up. So if you want Saber Outdoors merch for yourself, or if you want to have it for your significant other or relative or friend, or even somebody you don't like and you're offering them peace offering of a shirt. Guys, I don't care why you're buying it. I'm just thankful that you're buying it. Right now, I am making nothing on them. I am simply using this to give back to my early subscribers. And I want to thank those people that have gotten memberships. Memberships are $5. You will see every single video early if you are a subscriber and a member. But guys, that's all I have for the day. Thank you so very much for watching a different kind of video while we're unboxing. But guys, we'll see you in the woods or on the water.